The UK lending data turned out to be a pleasant surprise for investors and increased the demand for the pound sterling. The number of mortgage approvals jumped to 84,700 in August, beating market expectations of 69,000. This is the highest level over the past 12 months, even for the pre-pandemic period. Thus, British banks are actively offering mortgage loans again. The most important thing is that lending growth indicates an increase in consumer activity, which is a sign of economic recovery. Apparently, moderate optimism about European currencies is expected to remain until preliminary data on inflation in Germany is released. These statistics may provide traders with some clues about tomorrow's inflation report for the entire euro area. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair managed to regenerate upside interest for a while and made a correction towards its local high of September 24th. That is at the level of 1.1686. Market participants are still below the boundaries of the 7-week sideways channel, below the lower boundary of 1.1700. This is a good signal for the pair's downward movement in the medium term. Analyzing the current trading chart, we can see price fluctuations within the range between 1.1665 and 1.1690. At the moment, the activity is reduced in this area. The pair's correction is expected to come to an end soon, and one of the two marks, 1.1690 or 1.1720, is likely to act as resistance. In this zone, price stops were observed more than once. As an alternative, in case the price consolidates in the area of 1.1720, the euro-dollar pair will most likely make a major correction towards 1.1780. The pound-dollar pair completed its 3-day rally, which resulted in a technical correction relative to the local low of 1.2674. A change in the market sentiment in the form of a technical correction is considered a temporary phenomenon and relates to the pair's excess volatility since early September. The fact that the quotes have hit local lows and have broken through the control level of 1.2770 indicates that the pound sterling may suffer more heavy losses in the future. According to the current chart, price fluctuations at the top of the pair's corrective movement can be seen. The levels of 1.2825, 2885 and 2910 serve as a temporary boundaries. In order for the pound-dollar pair to resume its downward trend, the price must consolidate below 1.2820. In this case, the pair is likely to move towards 1.2770 and 1.2700. Otherwise, price fluctuations at the peak of its corrective movement may drag on for several days. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you in a couple of hours on our channel with a new video.